right, so how's everybody doing? This is pre-algebra lesson 9, prime numbers. Let's check it out. Oh, do you like them? Aren't they fun? All right, so prime numbers are counting numbers greater than 1 that only have 1 in itself as factors. So they only have 1 in itself as factors. Composite numbers are counting numbers with more than 2 factors. So they have something other than 1 in itself. So 1 is neither prime or composite. 1 just is. It just is what it is. Prime factorization is found by writing the number as a product of numbers, of prime numbers. Sorry. Prime factorization is found by writing the number as a product of prime numbers. So we're going to use a factor tree to show and division by primes. We're going to do both on both numbers. So first, let's do a factor tree. So with a factor tree, you just pick 2 factors. So 45, 2 factors are 9 and 5. And then we're going to work down until we get our prime numbers. So factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Are those prime? Yes, because 3 only has 1 in itself as a factor. So you circle them once you get them done. So is 5 a prime number? Yes, its factors are only 1 and 5. So the prime factorization is 3 times 3 times 5. Now, to do division by prime, you would write 45 and you would divide down, starting with the lowest prime number. So 3 goes into 45 15 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And 5 goes into 5 1 time. Our goal is to get 1 at the bottom. There's our prime numbers. Now, I will be honest, division by prime is my favorite. And the reason why it's my favorite is because it keeps everything really organized. I don't have to hunt for these. When you get bigger numbers, sometimes you have to hunt for them. And it's in order already. So it makes it easy. All right, let's do a factor tree. So we're going to pick 2 numbers. Let's do 4 times 9. Okay. What's the factors of 4? 2 and 2. Is 2 prime? Yes, it is. What's the factors of 9? 3 and 3. And 3 is prime. We just figured that out. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, division by prime. So 2 goes into 36 18 times. 2 goes into 18 9 times. Well, that was lovely. 9 times. Oh, boy, howdy. 9 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 3 1 time. So there's my prime factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. All right, now let's go to the next slide since it's so eager to do that. One way to test if a number is prime or composite is to determine if it can be divided by a number other than 1 in itself. So we use some divisibility rules for that. If a number ends with an even number, then we know it has 2 as a factor. And by the way, 2 is the only even prime number. So if anything else is an even number, it is not prime. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. So say we have the number 309. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yep. So 309 is divisible by 3. Also, if the number ends in 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. So if it has a 5 or a 0 at the end, then we know 5 is a factor. All of these are ways to check if a number is divisible by another number. I also have the whole set of numbers on my wall in my room, but these are just 3 of the common ones, 2, 3, and 5. All right. I hope you got something out of this lesson. If you need any help, let me know. See you later. Bye.